Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be just doing something a little bit different than focusing on PCs and programs and all this other stuff. So today, I'm going to be upgrading my DIY solar panel system that I have here in the garage. So the parts I decided to get it's kind of like a starter kit. So I mean, I already have the charge controller, I already have everything, I have batteries, but I wanted to get something that's basically all from this company, Renogy. So here we have the 100-watt system, which includes the solar panel, the charge controller, and all the wiring that I'll need. Sorry, I got my little buddies all over me. They just heard me that I was outside making the video, so yeah, so they're here. So just to give you some more info, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what the setup is. So in the back, you do see that I have the solar panel right here. Now, I didn't mount it on top of the roof because I didn't have the gear for it. So I just basically did this little, I guess this little stand right here that just kind of points out from the back of the garage. Now, unfortunately with this setup, I don't get 100%, or, of course you never get 100%, but I don't get the full sunlight whenever it hits it. Like sometimes, let's just say the sun starts going up, and then it just basically the siding of the garage just basically blocks the solar panel, and it doesn't really charge completely. So basically that is the solar panel setup that I have here. And inside, so I do have the charge controller right here, have the inverter. Basically the wires are coming in from there. And then I do have also other cables, which are the red ones, that are basically going to this Duracell 12-volt battery. Now this battery is fairly new. I just recently bought it. So yeah, it's like this is kind of like just the upgrade that I need, because I mean right now the solar panel that I have is 30 watts. It did the job, but I wanted a little bit something a little bit bigger, which would be the 100-watt one. And then of course I do want it to be set up on top of the roof. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get this started. Alrighty guys, so that's technically it. We finished. So here is the brand new charge controller. I was gonna actually keep the old one, but I decided, I was like, you know what, it's like this one's new. It's like I'll just go right ahead and just switch it out. So we do have the new charge controller. Of course, we have the cable for the solar panel basically going up, and then we have the solar panel itself. So yeah, so this is basically the new setup right now. So that is technically it. I want to say special thanks to my helper, which would be my dad right here. So you didn't really see him quite as much, but say hi, Dad.
Hey, hi.
Yeah, so he helped out a lot, just basically making sure, you know, of course, taking down the old solar panel, which is technically right here. But yeah, so that is the end of this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it, and we will catch you on the next one.